how to make Instagram account public account. So guys, here in this video I'm gonna show you how you can make your Instagram public account. So here, this is the private account. Okay, take Lord. As you can see here, there is a lock icon and it's a private account. So to make this public account, what you need to do is that you have to click on this 3 days on the top right corner. And guys, here this type of interface will be pop up. My network is little slow, I'm really sorry for that. Here this type of interface will be pop up. Scroll down and here you can see account privacy. Simply you need to click on account privacy, and then here you can see it's enabled, the private account is enabled, so you have to disable this. Here you can see switch to public. So simply click on switch to public and then go back. Okay, and then just refresh it once, and then your account is now public. So I hope this video is absolutely helpful for you. Thanks for watching.